I'm Raji Chambadi. I'm deeply honored and humbled to be the next president at Illinois Tech. Thank you for being such wonderful evangelists and ambassadors for the Illinois Tech community. We are a thriving global community of over 80,000 members. Illinois Tech is a preeminent presence in a variety of disciplines, an institution that was born out of a noble purpose that harnesses the collective power of difference in order to advance technology so that we can build a just and equitable world. Because of you and the impact you have made in our communities, you have been especially generous with your time, talent, and treasure to the Illinois Tech community so that others may follow in your footsteps. As we embark on the next chapter of our storied institution, I invite you to join us in this exciting journey. We have a very bright future together.